do you separate yourself? How do you do the digital diet? I mean, if you work in, let's say, if you work in a design firm, if you're in advertising, branding, if you're in research, if you're working for a bank, if you're working for a PR firm, if you're in communication, if you're working for a newspaper, you're obviously going to have a computer. So filling up your mind and blocking it off around computers or technology is a pretty bad bet to have, because if let's say if I'm running a brand and I'm in the office, my work has to happen on the computer. My designing has to happen on a computer. My writing has to happen on a computer. My concepts have to happen on a computer. My emailing has to happen on a computer. My research has to happen on a computer. I follow trends on the social media on Facebook and Pinterest and stuff. So technology is not always bad. Yes, the concerns may be pressing around health or whatever, but that is, like I said, a different topic altogether. For me personally speaking or professionally speaking, technology empowers me because I'm able to see so many things which are happening all over the world, which I can't do at the click of maybe a button only on my phone and stuff. On a computer it helps me even better. And in the world of design and architecture, in the world of thought sharing and stuff, in the world of financial trading, in the world of let's say innovation or design, technology and graphics and computers have a big role to play and stuff. So the author's giving us some tips. I'm sharing these because I'm using this myself. So you don't have to despise technology. You don't have to think of gadgets and the internet as your enemy and stuff. However, the power lies with you. The amount of technology you consume or the measure you spend on it is something which you calculate on your own. So, considering the effect that all technology is bad is not recommended. And what are the habits to do this? If you've been reading on electronic readers, buy yourself some printed novels and books. Buy your favorite authors or people you don't even know. If you've been taking your notes on cell phone apps, stop using the phone and start writing on a notepad, which I do forever, and I write down every day. If you've been clicking pictures only from your phone camera and stuff, you always have an option of taking a camera with you and printing those pictures and stuff. That gets you more creative. That gives you more, exposure to whatever theme or whatever group you're in and stuff. If you take a camera and you start clicking, you may find an interesting object or some topic which is of your interest, and you start taking pictures. And for all you know, you may have a series of interesting creative stuff that you've done. Do you work with text on your computer? You could always use a pen and a pencil, and you can always write down what's important. And new ideas don't come necessarily by only researching and stuff. That means you're dependent on technology, but new ideas come when you are kind of relaxing and breathing in, and you're kind of using your inspirational and your own creative juices to propel you forward and stuff. Buy yourself a record player. I love this. Record yourself, listen to your voice. How are you sounding? It's going to give you this quotient of deliberation and stuff. How are you sounding? How are you talking? Are you talking fast? Are you talking slow? You can record songs, you can make your own videos and stuff. And you can come out with something really interesting like a jingle, probably, because I'm from the advertising and branding background. So many times I've recorded my own voice, and I still do it many a times. If I'm sending videos to my friends or my family or people I know abroad, I record something. These could be pictures, dialogues, these could be some advertising jingles or whatever, and it just kind of keeps that connect of creativity happening between us. So, Palmolive the Jawab Nahi, we all know that, right? Palmolive the Jawab Nahi, that's been one of my favorites. Then you've had Dairy Milk Kuch Meetha Ho Jaye. You have जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था बड़ी शरारत करता था. So all these creative things that you followed and grown up on and stuff, you somehow lose track of that. So it's a good idea to connect with yourself. There's so many ads from UK and US I've grown up on, Pepsi, Coke and stuff. So you can use technology and you can use all these mediums to follow those, revisit those. Michael Jackson is one of my favorite artists, and looking at his videos, UFOs that we had as children and stuff, and which we grew up watching BBC and stuff. So yeah, some very interesting stuff happening also on technology and stuff. So technology is also a blessing in a way and stuff, and not all technology is bad. The onus lies with each one of us on how we're consuming it, what are we doing. and if it is slowing you down, back off and avoid following it. But sitting on a computer and thinking all technology is bad is going to block your brain and it's going to make you feel negative about it and stuff, so start thinking about the positives and stuff. If you're working in an organization and you have to organize a networking summit or you have to do some meetings and stuff, your computer is going to connect you and your technology is going to connect you everywhere. So that's that. I'm Justine Kapani, and Steve Jobs did say connecting the dots and stuff. So there's so many times I take a look at my older pictures and I take a look at the journey that I've been through. It's still going on. It's going to go on for many years, but I do have recall and memories and stuff coming back to me. But as a human being, I just allow them to kind of come to me, and I think about what a great life I've had. Good experiences and bad experiences have made me what I am presently. So regretting and holding grudges and stuff doesn't help anybody. So what's important is to look at the positive, and it's a long life, and there's so many more people to meet, so many more places to discover, travel, eat, drink, so many new people to connect and stuff. So avoid signing off yourself in your early 30s or 40s saying ab to hum bure ho gaye hain, ab to hamare bas ki nahi hai and stuff like that. And if you need inspiration, agar aapko inspiration chahiye, take a look around at the seniors around and stuff, and you'll see that there are lots of people who are rocking still in their 80s and 90s, and probably you could learn from those and get the forward movement in your life. So love and luck, and take care, have fun, have a blast, get your dreams, get some aspirational outlooks, get some ideas, plans and stuff, and flow. And the law of success doesn't mean only money, money, money. The law of success also means that you have good relationships and you can pick up the phone and have a chat with anybody and everybody. I mean, everybody's not interested in money. My childhood friends, if I make a call to them and have a chat with them and I want to connect with them, it's not going to be about the money. It's going to be about my childhood memories and stuff. So you know what, it's important. Money is important. I'm not saying it's not important, but money is not the most important. Okay, so love and luck, and take care, and have a blast, enjoy yourself. And sometimes happiness comes from the most easiest available of stuff, which is just a regular coffee, a cup of coffee. I don't think this Nescafe or this brew coffee costs more than $25. It comes with a lot of good results to your health and your attitude and your acumen and stuff. So have a lot of coffee and chai and make the best use of your health and of your time and energy and stuff like that. So love and luck, and take care and have fun and have a blast and enjoy yourself. And do watch this movie Stree Part 2. And there was a Hindi movie that I watched the first time on TV, which was 706. It was not bad. It was interesting. So make the best use of TV and creativity as well. You don't have to be tuned into only TV and stuff. Make the best advantage and the best use, like I said, of what's available to you, and you'll have better stuff to even talk about and even share rather than the mundane stuff. So love and luck, and take care and have fun and have a blast. Enjoy yourself and keep it rolling and make the best use of the time and the energy that you have. It's not meant for wasting on negativity and unhealthy stuff. There's so much more happening in the world. So give yourself that boost, and you're responsible for your own health and your own experiences and stuff. Nobody else is. So jkapani.im@gmail.com. Jkapani at gmail.com and justinekapani.im at gmail.com. So you can write to me there. Love and luck, have fun, have a blast, and my handles are there on social media and stuff. So enjoy yourself and kick it, rock it, and enjoy. Yeah, take care. Bye bye.